India's all-electric cab market has been searching for a new challenger ever since Blue Smart suspended operations. Now, a Vietnamese EV giant believes it can fill that gap. Vingroup's ride-hailing arm, Green SM, short for Green and Smart Mobility, is launching in Delhi NCR on 5th June. And unlike Ola, Uber or Rapido, it plans to do things very differently. Green SM will not operate as a traditional aggregator. Instead of simply connecting riders with independent drivers, it will own and manage its fleet directly. It owns the vehicles, it manages the drivers, it controls the charging infrastructure. That gives the company greater control over service quality, vehicle standards, and the overall customer experience. Reports suggest around 1,500 to 2,000 VinFast electric vehicles are already positioned in Delhi NCR. The company is targeting 10,000 to 12,000 vehicles nationally by FY27, with plans to expand to 15,000 vehicles by the end of 2026. Green SM will exclusively use VinFast electric vehicles, which are already part of the wider Vingroup ecosystem. Reports also suggest fares could start at around 8 rupees per kilometer, although there is no official confirmation yet. The timing is significant. India's ride-hailing market was valued at $5.26 billion in 2024 and is projected to reach $20.58 billion by 2033. Yet the all-electric cab segment remains relatively small. Only around 7,000 to 8,000 EVs currently operate in ride-hailing services across the country. That is the opportunity Green SM is targeting. Blue Smart had demonstrated demand for all-electric ride-hailing. Its suspension left a gap in the market that Green SM now hopes to fill. But the cab business is only one part of Vingroup's India strategy. The group is investing $2 billion into India's EV ecosystem. That includes a manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu with an annual production capacity of 150,000 vehicles. So this is not just a ride-hailing launch. It is part of a much larger push to establish a long-term presence in India's electric mobility market. But success is far from guaranteed. Ola, Uber and Rapido already have massive user bases and years of market presence. Rapido currently leads the market with around 74 million monthly active users, ahead of Uber's 30 to 39 million and Ola's 26 to 27 million. Green SM must now prove that a fleet-owned, all-electric model can scale quickly enough to compete with established aggregators. And it must do so while rebuilding confidence in a segment that was shaken by Blue Smart's collapse. Blue Smart showed there was demand for electric ride-hailing in India. The question now is whether Green SM can succeed where India's most prominent EV-only cab operator could not, and whether India's next phase of ride-hailing could be electric from the ground up. Follow Business Standard for more stories.